The show we present is above and beyond any of the guest stars, even if we are delighted to have them on us. So just to give you a little bit of an insight into the world of Atlantis. Atlantis is a show we conjured up really because we were looking for a very simple and easy idea that everybody could make an idea about in their head, but we should also be very attractive and which could give every person in the audience their own little inspiration. Because if you think about Atlantis, it's actually a myth. There is no real story behind Atlantis. There is a sunken city which everybody imagines, but the real interesting part of the story is, where did it come from? How did it evolve? What were the people like who lived there? And that's the story we try and tell in the show you're going to see this afternoon. Even a little bit more special in this 75th year, we do have some very special guests with us in the course of our stay here in Munich. Obviously, there are the delightful Valentina and Cheyenne who are with us today, and we are so proud to have these true Munich ladies here in their hometown. I know they are absolutely thrilled to be here. Valentina and Cheyenne have been working with us now for the last year or so, and I can only say that as a producer, it has been a delight and a pleasure to have such not only talented and beautiful ladies, but also such dedicated people working with us. So they've genuinely become part of the Holy Nice family in the last year. We're very happy to have them.
Mein Name ist Cheyenne und das ist meine Zwillingsschwester Valentina. Der ein oder andere kennt es vielleicht schon aus gute Zeiten, schlechte Zeiten und alles, was zählt. Was viele aber noch nicht wussten, ist, dass wir schon früh auf dem Eis standen. Für uns ist heute ein ganz, ganz besonderer Tag, denn wir dürfen hier in München laufen als waschechte Münchnerinnen. Denn hier hat nämlich alles vor langer, langer Zeit angefangen, im Olympiastützpunkt, als wir klein waren. Auf diesem Wege wollten wir natürlich auch noch ganz besonderen Menschen danken, vor allem unseren Eltern, Mama, Papa, Oma, Opa. Vielen Dank für eure Unterstützung und dass ihr uns immer alles ermöglicht habt.